I think eBay gives you an opportunity to start, like you don't need a lot of money to sell on eBay.
Probably $1,000 or $2,000 just to, because you get payment restrictions. After 3 months, they'll pay you out.
But before they do that, they pay you after you ship out the item. This is the account. It has 0 sales in ever.
Yeah.
So it's a brand new account.
It was a fake one. It was a fake sale just to warm up the account.
Go to performance and traffic. So what you'll notice is you have a couple of views based on when you listed those things, but I suspect that your listing process could be done a little better. All right, guys, what's up? This is Mark Augustine here, and today I have Quinn on the channel. If you're new to your channel, I've been dropshipping on eBay since 2011, and my goal with the channel is to help you guys make money online. So I have Quinn. He's going to introduce himself. He's in the beginning of his dropshipping journey, so we'll get into all that stuff, and you guys could learn from his journey and so on. So Quinn, who are you?
Yeah, hi, my name is Quinn. Yeah, I'm from Australia. I just started 2 days ago. Haven't got a sale. I was very interested to do eBay dropshipping just to cover bills. I heard that, you can make a couple grand per store. So yeah, I'm just looking forward to learn, listen, learn.
Right,
and
you started a couple days ago. You haven't gotten a sale yet. And you're selling on eBay Australia or eBay US. That's important.
Yeah, I'm doing eBay USA.
Yeah, so the reason why I made that distinction is because people who are watching this video, you guys based in the US or anyone selling on the US platform could learn from his journey. And you guys in Australia, I guess it will be interesting for you guys to see the difference between selling in Australia and selling US from Australia. So anyway, so let's get into it. So you haven't made a sale yet. So before eBay dropshipping, have you done anything online? Like you told me a little bit about what you've done online, but
yeah. So I did Kickstarter, I did Shopify. So I went to China, designed my own products, launched it, had a bit of success, then went downhill. Then later on, I climbed back up doing Etsy, and went back to
Etsy
Shopify.
is with your own product as well?
Yeah. With my own design products and that. It's still on the website. Yeah, I'm still selling it. But yeah, I'm looking forward to get some sales from eBay so I can use that money to go to China and find another product,
And do that again. So you're using eBay to generate money with, I guess, not that much money to save up.
Yeah, not at the moment. But yeah, on Etsy, I'm doing okay on Etsy. But yeah, learn different platforms to be safe.
No, but I think eBay gives you an opportunity to start, like you don't need a lot of money to sell on eBay. Would you need a lot of money to sell on Etsy, for example?
No, you don't need a lot of money. Same thing, probably $1,000 or $2,000 just because you get payment restrictions. They're later after 3 months they'll pay you. I think eBay might be the same.
eBay is after a certain amount of sales in a couple of months, but before they do that, they pay you after you ship out the item. But we'll get into all that and the features and so on. But okay, guys, this is just the beginning. I'm going to jump into the computer and look at what he's doing now. We're not going to share that on the YouTube channel. What I may do is do a follow-up video and show you guys what we went through and certain filters and different ways to use Ecom Sniper to dropship on eBay. But like the video, subscribe, and all you guys from Australia, I'll put a link in the description to a group that you can meet other Australian dropshippers, and anyone who want to reach out to me, I'll put a link to my calendar, and you guys could like and subscribe to follow the journey of Quinn, because we're going to document what he's doing. So he hasn't made a sale yet. Quinn, are you in your eBay account?
Yeah, I'm in my eBay account.
Share your screen so we can just actually record the beginning.
Yeah, all right, I think you can see it.
Right. This is the account. It has 0 sales in ever. Yeah. So it's a brand new account. You have 1 feedback. Listen, views 11. I guess you sold something on your own.
It was a fake one. It was a fake sale just to warm up the account.
Okay. The first thing you want to start to check, so scroll up. I know all you guys watching this, if you begin on eBay dropshipping, this is important. So go to performance and traffic. Right. So what you'll notice is you have a couple of views based on when you listed those things, but I suspect that your listing process could be done a little better. So I'll get on a call with you right after and we'll go through it.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
All right, guys. So subscribe for the journey of this young man. How old are you, Quinn?
Yeah, I'm old enough to get married.
Okay, so I assume you're single. So if there are any girls out there looking for
Yeah,
looking for a partner, comment.
and any eBay drop shippers up there that are single that are female, then yeah. But yeah, let's make some money first.
All right, cool. Yeah, because you're gonna have to pay for the wedding.
Yeah, that's it.
All right, guys. So like, subscribe, and follow for this journey of Quinn. Have a good one.